in the silence, hearts heavy with dread. We prayed for shelter as the storm came overhead. Whoa, Hurricane Melissa, you took so much away. Tore through the island, left us in dismay. But we rise up together, hand in hand we'll stand tall. Jamaican strong and proud, through the storm we'll not fall. Rivers filled with sorrow, the land soaked in pain, but love is a remedy. Through the struggle we gain, from the ashes we will build, find hope in each other in the face of disaster. We're sisters and brothers, waves crashing, hearts smashing, yet our spirits fly high. For every tear we shed, there's a new sun in the sky. From the rubble we'll gather, weaving dreams from despair. With every step we take, we'll show that we still care. Oh, Hurricane Melissa, you took so much away. Tore through the island, left us in dismay. But we rise up together, hand in hand we'll stand tall. Jamaican strong and proud, through the storm we'll not fall. So when the winds come calling in the dark of the night, we'll remember our courage, and together